Hi guys, it's Brianna with OCDetailing, and today I'm checking in this Taycan in a really pretty blue color. And then this is the process of how we check in cars here. And then this customer, really awesome. He gave us a sheet of the services he wants done, so pretty cool for us. And then the services that we're doing today for this customer are, we're adding ULTRAFIT's XP Gloss Black PPF on these front bumper two pieces right here. And then we're also adding full ceramic coating, and on top of that, we're doing full interior coating. We like to do check-in photos for our records just to document everything before the vehicle is worked on, just in case of anything happening to the car.
My name is Abel Sanchez, and I kind of work here. We're gonna decon this Taycan for correction and full coating. 5'10", but I tell everybody I'm 5'11", so it's closer to 6 foot. I have a very lovely and beautiful girlfriend.
Oh, so you're taking?
Yes. Sorry guys, sorry, I know.
Hey, I'm Joshua Coleman at OCDetailing, and right now I'm just cleaning these wheels to prep them for coating. And after that, we're gonna take the wheels off, alcohol wipe them, and start the coating process.
Hey guys, my name is Jesse. We are going to get ready to start polishing this Taycan. It's already been deconned. We're gonna do a two-step correction to remove scratches and then perfect the haze. Then we're gonna do 2 layers of ceramic coating, DQuartz for hardness and C-Quartz for excellent hydrophobic properties. Yeah, but it's very porous paint. So you can see all this. I already gave it a little test spot earlier. I wiped it, and it's still very hard. So we're gonna have to use actually a 3-step correction. We're gonna do cut to remove the scratches, spotless to remove the water spots, and then polish it to perfect it. We're using the heat lamp to make sure that the water spots are all coming up, and then it's gonna be quite a long process. German paint is very tough.
Hey, to anybody who works at like dealerships, especially like Porsche, Lincoln, all those premium ones, can you guys fucking get your act together? Because I'm tired of these brand new cars showing up with all these water spots, and we gotta do like $3,000 worth of polishing work to them.
What he said, if that stays in.
Do smiley face?
Yes, I can. Little eyebrows. Joe's gonna be like, why are you using so much product? If you want to see a real magic trick, I turn this on and it splatters everywhere. I don't know if you can hear me, but it is steaming because it's hot and the compound is disintegrating. So the thing about water spots is that you think that they're all out just based off the cut. And then if you were to use a heat lamp or the sun, you'll realize that they did not get out. Couple sprays. I want to do one more spot or correction. I like to do a little cross. I'm trying to bless this paint, make sure that it's looking perfect again.
It's OCDetailing, so we make sure we get every little nook and cranny of your guys' car to ensure customer satisfaction, including the brake calipers and your fender liners. Right now what I just did was I alcohol wiped this because the alcohol preps the surface for coating, so that way it bonds better and the coating actually works. And you have to do your best to get everywhere, which is why these foam pads are good, because they squish and fold and it makes it easier for you to get into the nooks and crannies of the caliper.
Right now we're working on this leather coating, and I just coated it. So first we're wiping it with our rag to get most of the coating off, and then we go in with our more plush rag to get the excess off. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hope you have a good day.
So far we cut the hood, the fender, and finishing up the bumper. We just got back from lunch, so we haven't made too much progress, but we're gonna start getting to here. Usually all the water spots are gonna be on a flat area, so using the heat lamp and spotless isn't as necessary for most of this, but it's the scratches are very, very deep, especially on this bumper. It's taking a couple attempts. I'm assuming it will be the same for the doors as well.
Hey guys.
Hello.
So how's it going?
Going well. So far we finishing or starting to get midway through the correction. We still have to coat the paint.
Okay.
I believe they are finishing up the interior detail. Aside from that, we just gotta do plastic, glass, and the two, and wheels are done. So that's also a
awesome.
very good benefit.
Okay, cool. When are you guys expecting to finish working on this car? Like, and if you guys need more time, that's okay.
I'd say tomorrow, end of day, hopefully.
Tomorrow, end of day.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna miss Christian now that he's gone?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
gonna be very quiet in here.
He left on a trip for a month long, so we won't see him here until next year.
We're working our way back into the shop. We see a wild Elliot finishing up his cutting process. Actually, I think he's doing a cut and polish to make sure this gets really quickly done. Gonna do 2 layers of coating, but before that, he needs to make sure that there's no haze left behind during the cutting process. I think he sees me, but he goes based off movement. From what I can see, he's doing very, very good. Looks very shiny. I think he's doing very, very fine.
Are on track for this vehicle. It'll be leaving tomorrow. We're gonna start coating the Taycan. It needs to be alcohol white to make sure that the coating has a strong surface, bond to the surface. We have Elliot and Josh. They're going to be the ones ceramic coating.
Right now we're coating it with our second layer of ceramic coating. We're coating it with our DQuartz. We're just finishing it up. We've already done the wheels. We've coated the wheels. We've coated the trim. We're about to coat the glass afterwards. And then we've also done a leather coating on this as well. So everything's pretty much done. It's just, we need to bake it after we finish this second layer. And then we're gonna send it off and give it a little nitpick outside just to make sure everything looks good. And yeah, we're just gonna give it to the client afterwards.
Right, so here we have that Porsche Taycan. It's all finished. As you can see, it's super glossy. It looks really clean. Overall, it looks great. The paint, we really cleaned that up really well, so there's no visible swirl marks or any of that sort of stuff. And then the customer is going to be really happy with this because overall the maintenance is going to be so much easier for him to maintain. His car is going to be so easy to wash, clean, all of that sort of stuff. And then he also gets that chemical protection. So here you guys go. It looks awesome, really glossy. He will be here at 11:30. Yes.
So you saw the whole process?
I did. It looks really good. So glossy. And interior coating as well. Mm-hmm.
I think I got food and stuff.
Yes. And then we also did PPF right here on
Oh, where?
the front bumper. Those 2 black pieces on the front bumper. They got black PPF just to protect from rock chips.